Hello everyone. This printer is HP MV 6122E 6100 series. What I want to do is to show you how to reset this printer to a factory default setting. This printer is currently connected to a wireless network. If you reset this printer to a factory default setting, you need to reconnect it. The Wi-Fi light will be flashing. The printer will no longer be connected to a Wi-Fi network. Any information or password saved on the printer need to be reset. So select menu, scroll down, select tools, select on the maintenance, restore settings, also fireware, select restore settings. Then it will show you restore network settings, restore all factory default settings. So select restore all factory default settings, restore all factory default settings. All configured settings in the printer will be deleted and the original factory settings will be restored, including the following: all administrator password for the printer, network configurations, any stored jobs if available, HP work part license if applicable, account information for the HP cloud connection. Do you want to continue? Then select restore. Restoring printer settings. Restore successfully. And if you look, the printer is no longer connected on the Wi-Fi network. If you go to the back of the printer and switch off the printer, and it will show you HP. So the printer will start again, show you HP, show you a blue color for the Wi-Fi network, but you need to wait for the process to complete. Then for you to be able to connect the printer again, the Wi-Fi light is now highlighting. It will show you for you to select the language and set up the printer, then for you to go ahead and reconnect the printer to a network. So this is how to restore printer to factory default setting. Thank you very much indeed.